So let's quickly explore another quick, lovely pictures on Canva using AI. Yeah. So this time, we go to our Canva design. We click on create. Let me use presentation mode and in landscape. Although you can click on landscape normally for something like that. And when I get over here, I click on let me upload. So this time there's a picture on there's a picture that we actually have on Photoshop right now that you can remove images like this madam over here. This is what I'm going to do. Let me take up my image. Okay, the madam standing over there beside our yellow balls. I'm going to remove that madam using just a very simple click, just one click. I click on edit, I click on magic eraser, then remember to click and hold on it, and I click on the madam, then I stop. Remember, I stop that, then the madam is gone. I love this picture. So from there I can go back and add any other thing. Maybe I want to add, maybe this time I want to add if I want to add any other thing, I can just go and add. It's because I did not see it, so I still go back and remove the madam. You must go by fire by force. Then I'm done. So I can save the picture, use for anything I want to use it for, then I'm fine. So this is magic design. To me, it's here, eh? No matter how they call it, anything magic design, I like this. Give it a try. Let me see what you can do with this.